Thank you so much for having me. My name is Thato Majafe. I'm from a kasi called Manak in Francistown. Growing up, I've always been a music lover because when I remember very well, Kisimolezekele Mino na Wazele, that was bourgeois, that was Sekotani and stuff like that. I remember when I moved to Motown, Molepolole, 2011. That's when my music career basically thing. I made my first single 2012, which was titled Siapo, featuring my boy Young Amazing, who was featured more Pinenyara Atlasa on ATI, Kirin Korong. From there, my second single was Hotle Khosi, la Makologa Hotle Khosi a buliwa thata ke Botswana mo Facebook because na uploadile dinepe tse nne di ba hatlile matlho nka re yalo. But then now I saw creativity in that as a creative, I made a song talking about her beauty and stuff, and that song e beila mathata e be ka fa Botswana ba e rata le na ba e ratile, and then that's when my name got well known around. So after Khosi, I worked on an album titled Matlono. Your heart, hey. You are such a blessing to me. I worked in that album for about I think 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. Nena Lidipina 14, if I remember very well, and the album was released in the beginning of 2023. And Lidipina the album Never Give Up, Makasetoro, Siapo, and just to mention a few. So yeah, after that album, I took a long break into the music scene. Kana mathata wa itse ha go nna le mathata ga mojana o bile o boele ko marakanelo a ditsela kana ga teng, something like that, and I did exactly that. E be ka re phutha metlhala pele ke bona gore nka ilane. And then I came back with a bang this year when I got to studio with my boy Dipet and Uzi at Prime Records Kakora Muzakakwa, and then we came up with a bang called Kilisegele that I dropped recently this year. The song was inspired by Lesotho and Tswana sound. How can I rate that thata ena le marimbanyana le those traditional sounds. Mele traponyana, that trap and e monatinyana ya khona gore I really enjoy that. Yeah, I want to take this time to give a big shout out to Celebrity Wealth Magazine for having me today. I'm really honored to be here, and thank you so much for such a beautiful moment. Going forward, I'm still working right now in studio with my producer Uzi for Rhyme Records. We are working on a mixtape. I cannot announce anything because we haven't named it yet. We want to have like at least 8 songs in the mixtape, and amazing features are coming, amazing jobs are coming, music videos are coming. This year is gonna be nice, and I thank God that He keeps bringing the best in me. He keeps uplifting me whenever I feel low, whenever He feel like hela mark. You know what? Onampa mark or no, Oscar hela mark. Just keep on going, and I guess to know more about THINTEE, you can check my Facebook handles at THINTEE, THINTEE, and Twitter at THINTEE, Instagram THINTEE, YouTube THINTEE. So more the music video did more, and for bookings you can actually contact official THINTEE at gmail.com. Kana 74891722 74891722. It's a boy THINTEE signing out. Thank you so much. Peace. Started with a dream, then you had to keep on working hard. Many people tryna hold you back. Do you really wanna give up? No, no, no. Do you really wanna give up? No, 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 no.
all started with a dream. Then you had to keep on working hard.